Welcome to our channel. If you want to install unlimited live streaming 2025 on your Fire Stick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and search for the downloader app. Install it if it's not already on your device. Step 2. Launch Downloader and click on the URL field displayed on the screen. Step 3. Enter the downloader code for unlimited live streaming 2025 and press go. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download fully. Watch the progress indicator to see when it's complete. Step 5. After downloading, an installation screen will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to finish. Then click Done. Delete the APK file if you want to save storage. Step 7. Navigate to your Fire Stick home screen and find Unlimited Live Streaming 2025 in your applications. Step 8. Open the app and access unlimited live streaming channels, including news, sports, entertainment, and international content. Enjoy real-time broadcasting from various sources around the world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.